Hi everyone, this is Lucas from Creative Together, and next week you can join us for Mother Tongues Festival and we're going to think about the words, meaning, language. You know, we all live in a world where there's a lot of people and all talk different languages, and sometimes we don't understand each other. So we're going to talk about this kind of stuff and trying to figure it all out. And we're going to be asking questions like,
can you say something without saying a word?
Do animals speak?
Do all words have meaning?
Would it be good if we all spoke the same language?
Is a pan on your head a hat?
Why do we have different words for the same thing?
and we're also gonna make some funny new words like
Skitang! Skiddy-diddy-douche! Booyah, booyah, booyah!
Sunny? Cracky?
So you're very welcome to join us next week for the Mother Tongues Festival. See you all there.
Yeah!
Hey, look at that. That's a flower.
Nie, to jest kwiatek!
No, that's a flower.
Nie, to jest kwiatek!
That's a flower.
Kwiatek!